Hi, this is Josh from MarineMax in New York. We're going to take a quick look at our 2021 Sea Ray SDX 290. As you can see, for this great looking boat, it has black hull color, black tower, black canvas, really good look. Let's come around the side here and make our way on board. First thing you notice back here is this very large swim platform. Nice large sun pad. Can also convert to the lounge style with a little raise there. Stereo controls as well as charge port. You'll notice this boat is equipped with sea decking all the way throughout, both swim platform and cockpit. Nice Corian countertops, sink. This boat has a lot of seating. A lot of places to put friends and family. So we walk up to the helm. One large Simrad multifunction display screen, Fusion stereo, toggles for different activities on the boat, onboard VHF radio, to the port, very nice head. See, we come to the bow, we have the filler cushion in there, making for one giant lounge area. Pretty cool. Also stainless windlass anchor. Again, I think the color scheme on this boat's pretty well done. If you'd like any information on this boat or any other boat we have in our inventory, please give us a call at our Huntington, New York office. Thank you for taking the time to watch this walkthrough.